Welcome to Mix Lab. I'm Joel Wanasek, and today I'm going to show you guys how to take a set of overheads and make fake rooms out of them in the event that you have a small drum room and you can't put up room mics. So in front of me, I've got a session here that was cut in a really, really small drum room, about 10 feet by 11 feet, extremely small. And I've got the kick and the snare and the toms replaced here with samples, but that still doesn't negate the fact that the overheads don't have much space. So let's have a listen. And those sound extremely small. So I just have a little bit of processing on them. I've got some filtering, a little bit of limiting, and some EQ just to make them sound better for the mix, just to show you. So I've got my overheads mixed how I want them. So how do we make this into a room? Well, first thing I'm gonna do, and you can do this two ways, I'm gonna duplicate everything, but you can also send this to a group or an aux if you want. So I'm gonna duplicate all these tracks. I'm gonna call this here Fake Room. And then what I'm going to do is just double check the routing to make sure that these got routed correctly. So now I have a copy of this room. So we're gonna do a couple of things to achieve this. First things first is we're gonna turn off all the EQ and I'm gonna limit them. Okay, so the reason I wanna limit the room really quickly, I should say the overheads really aggressively, is I want to kill all the transients and make it sound bigger. So let's do that. That already sounds a lot bigger. Now we're going to do some filtering. So we want to get some of the harsh cymbals out of there to make it sound more distant. And just a little bit of a filter here on the bottom end to kind of tighten up the bottom. See how that gets rid of all of that high frequency cymbal hiss out of there. So there's a couple of things we need to do here. First off, we're gonna do some EQ. So this is sounding kind of boxy, and we really wanna focus on just getting the ambience out of the room and taking the harshness of the cymbals. So we're gonna cut some EQ out of the top end to clean this up, and we're gonna cut some mid-range. So let's start out with the mids. That sounds a lot tighter. Now let's clean up the top here. And there's one more tough frequency up there that I'm gonna pull out that's really killing my ears. So let's go find it. You can see that this has already come a long way. Okay, so I'm gonna put the EQs back on. Okay, now something else we can do here is we can grab a transient designer or an envelope shaper. So I'm just gonna do this here with the stock one. We're gonna pull some attack off of this. And the reason we're gonna do that is, again, we're taking the transient off and making it sound more roomy and add a little bit of sustain, or in the case of this plug and release, to make it more, again, sound larger and not direct. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add a bit of a room, and you can use any room. I'm just gonna grab a stock one. Now there's a couple different things to take into consideration. There's pre-delay, reverb time, and mix. So because of the room that this is recorded with, I'm probably gonna try to use a bit of a smaller room, and then it's just gonna be getting the right amount of pre-delay and the mix. Now the reverb does muddy it up a little bit, but it definitely increases some size. So let's go in and see if we can clean up even more mid-range here. Let's go take a look and see what we got. All right, now that's sounding a lot better. So let's blend that into our cymbals. I'm gonna mute it and then we'll blend it. Now it got a little weird on the cymbal, so I'm gonna try flipping the polarity, which sometimes makes it sound better and less phasey, because you know, when you're playing with all the transient designing and reverb, it definitely gets a little bit weird. There you go. You can clearly hear how much more space and size we got of these, making a fake room here off of our cymbals. And there you have it. That is a very powerful way to take a set of overheads, in this case a stereo pair, and turn them into a fake drum room and increase the size of the space that you have available to you.